Good morning, dear students. So yesterday I told you tomorrow we will going to start the new topic. So now I am going to start the new topic, that is lines and angles. Okay, this is very simple topic. This is the part of geometry, lines and angles. You already heard this word. What is the lines? What is the angles? How the angles form? Okay, so we will see detail about it. Now listen here, you know very well the basic unit of geometry. Can you tell me what is the basic unit of geometry? Point is the basic unit of geometry. Okay, point. Listen here. First point is what? Point is the basic unit of geometry. How to draw the point? If you take a sharp pencil and suppose put it on a sheet of paper, and if you press it, okay, you will get a dot. That dot is known as the point. Okay, so point is the basic unit of geometry. So we have to draw the point like this. Point P. How to read this one? This is point P. In this way we have to read it. Okay. Now the second one is what? Line. You know very well what is the how it looks. Okay. How it looks, the line. See here. Line is also the made up of infinite number of points. If you put some points like this in a straight direction, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, again you have to put some points, again you have to put some points. So after some time you cannot see the points. For example, just suppose this is, if you put the points like this, again there is some space. Again suppose if you put like this point, so one time you can get, suppose means you cannot see the points there, you can see the line. आपको पॉइंट नजर नहीं आएंगे, छोटी छोटी जगह में आप पॉइंट पुट करें आपको पॉइंट नजर नहीं आएंगे, आपको एक लाइन नजर आएंगे. ओके, मींस दिस लाइन इज मेड अप ऑफ इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स. ओके, एंड द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज व्हाट? इट इज एंडलेस इन बोथ डायरेक्शन. इट इज एंडलेस इन बोथ डायरेक्शन मींस सपोज अगर आपने कहीं ऑब्जर्व की होंगी कि लाइन ड्रॉ करने के बाद दोनों साइड में दो एरो बनाते हैं. That arrow represents you can extend the line in both direction infinitely. Okay, means you cannot measure the length of the line. So line, this is AB and two arrows are here, means you can extend in both direction. So this is the line AB. Okay, now third one is what? Segment. Segment means suppose this is the part. This is the part of a line. So segment is the part of a line. And what is in segment? There are two endpoints. In segment there are two endpoints, means you cannot extend the segment in any direction. It is limited. You can measure the length of segment. Okay, so this is the segment AB. Then next point is what? Ray. Ray means you know very well. It is also part of a line. Okay, it has one end point and going endlessly in other direction. Okay, so see here AB, this is the end point and there is arrow. This is the ray. It shows you can extend the line in this direction. Where is the arrow? You can show means that direction you have to move. ओके, कभी रहता है आपने अपने गांव में देखे होंगे कि एक हॉस्पिटल का नाम रहता है और नीचे एरो दिया हुआ रहता है, मतलब कि आप उस डायरेक्शन में जाइए. और दूसरे डायरेक्शन में क्या होता है? एक एंड पॉइंट होता है, हम उल्टा नहीं जाते. दैट इज द एंड पॉइंट. ओके, सो देयर इज वन एंड पॉइंट एंड गोइंग एंडलेसली इन अदर डायरेक्शन. दिस इज द रे. ओके, सो ऑल दीस पॉइंट्स यू हैव टू राइट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक. ओके, सो राइट डाउन दिस. Okay, over it is. Now you know very well about the angles. How the angles form? Can you tell me how the angles form? In previous standard I think you learn about it. How the angles form? Suppose this is the duster. Okay, this is one of the line, this is another line. Where the two lines intersect, that corner is the angle. Okay, that corner is the angle. Means we can say that two rays with common origin form an angle. Two rays with common origin form an angle. For example, suppose two rays are there. This is the common origin. One of the ray is going here, another ray is going here. common origin form an angle. So there is angle, that angle is formed there. So you know the types of angles, that is right angle, then acute angle, then obtuse angle. Again angles are there: straight angle, reflex angle, circle, angular measurement. Okay, so listen here. Now next point is what? Special pairs of angles. I will explain you the special pairs. Over this is special pairs of angles. Special pairs means what? Which are the special pairs? There are two types of special pairs. Pairs of angles. One is the complementary angle and another one is the supplementary angle. So what is complementary and what is supplementary? So see here, first one. Complementary angles. Okay. Complementary angles. Complementary angles means what? Okay, complementary angle means what? Suppose the sum of any two angle is 90 degree, then it is known as complementary angles. Okay, the sum of two angle is 90 degree, it is known as complementary. So you have to remember this definition. It is also given in your textbook. Okay, two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of their measures is equal to 90 degree. This definition is given on page number 134. Okay, so you have to remember this one. And the sum of two angles means, suppose this is there are two angles. Okay, this is suppose 50 degree and this is 30 degree. If you add these two angles, how many? This is suppose 40 degree. Okay, if you add these two angles, so what you can get? 50 degree plus 40 degree means 90 degree. The sum of these two angles is 90 degree, means we can say that these two angles are complement to each other, or these two angles are complementary angles. You can draw the angles like this also. Now this is one of the angle having measurement is suppose 40 degree. Okay, another angle, that is the measurement of this angle is suppose 50 degree. Okay, two different angles. The sum of these two different angles is also 90 degree, means these two angles are complementary angles. Okay, understood? Now the next one. Yeah, what you have to do here? You have to write the definition of this complementary angle, and the diagram is also given there. That diagram is figure 10.2. That diagram also you have to draw. All diagrams. Okay. Now second point. Supplementary angles. Second one. Supplementary angles. Okay, supplementary angles means what? The sum of any two angle is 180 degree, then it is known as supplementary angles. Okay, the sum of any two angle is 180 degree, then it is known as supplementary angles. So you have to write the definition which is given on the same page, page number 134. Okay, the two angles are called supplementary if the sum of their measures is equal to 180 degree, and the diagrams are also given there. Again I am drawing the diagrams. You have to write the definition and then diagram. Okay, so see here the diagram is like this. Supplementary means sum of two angles is 180 degree, means this is one of the angle like this. Suppose if you draw, this is 130 degree, this is 130 degree. Okay, and this is suppose how many? 50 degree. Okay, 130 degree plus 50 degree. 130 plus 50, how many? The sum of these two angles is what? 180 degree. So that's why we can say that these two angles are supplementary angles. Suppose this is A, this point is B, this is C, and this one is suppose D. Angle ABD is 130 degree, and angle CBD or DBC is 50 degree. The sum of these two angles is 180 degree. So that's why we can say that these two angles are supplement to each other or supplementary angles. You can draw the angles like this also. This is one of the angle having measurement is suppose 120 degree. Another angle, that is suppose its measurement is 60 degree. Okay, if you add these two angles, you can angles are the supplementary angles. Okay, now the next point, that is adjacent angles, then linear pair, then angles on a straight line, then vertically opposite angles. Okay, and angles at a point. So see here, the next point is what? Adjacent angles. What is adjacent angles? See here. The definition is given here, but I will explain you this one. Adjacent angles. See, adjacent means what? Adjacent means neighbor. Neighbor, do you know? Neighbor, जो आपके पड़ोसी होते हैं, that is the adjacent. Okay. Listen here, adjacent means it is the definition is given here. Suppose means you can write the definition. When two angles lie on the opposite side of a common arm and have a common vertex, they are known as adjacent angles. Common arm and common vertex. The definition is given here. Common arm and common vertex means suppose these two angles are there. Okay, these two angles are adjacent angles because there is common arm and common vertex. These two angles are adjacent angles. But suppose I am drawing here another angle. This and this angle, these two angles are not adjacent, but these two angles are adjacent, and these two angles are adjacent, but this and this are not adjacent. Suppose this angle 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 are adjacent angles. 2 and 3 are also adjacent angles. But 1 and 3 are not the adjacent angles. Okay, so adjacent angle means what? There is common arm and common vertex. Common arm होनी चाहिए और common vertex होना चाहिए. So then we can say that these two angles are adjacent angle. Measurement maybe कुछ भी हो सकता है. Okay. Then linear pair. Linear pair means what? Next one is the linear pair. जितने भी मैं बता रहा हूं आप सबको वो हेडिंग लिखना है, उसके नीचे डेफिनेशन लिखनी है और उसके नीचे डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज लीनियर पेयर? सी हियर, लीनियर पेयर मींस व्हाट? दिस लीनियर पेयर मींस सपोज इफ यू ड्रॉ द एंगल, दिस इज पॉइंट A, दिस इज पॉइंट B and this is point C. This angle B or angle ABC is what? This is straight angle. This is straight angle. The measurement of straight angle is what? 180 degree. Measurement of straight angle is what? 180 degree. Measurement of right angle 90 degree. और 90 का double means two right angle makes a straight angle, that is 180 degree measurement. This is 180 degree measurement means this is straight angle. Now linear pair means what? Suppose if you draw any angle like this, means it is just like the supplementary angle. It is just like the supplementary angle. Okay, so linear pair means the sum of two angles is 180 degree. First point is what? When we can say that these two angles are linear pair, when the angles form a linear pair, means the sum of two angles, these are the adjacent angle. Can we say these are the adjacent angle? Also these are the supplementary angle, and these two angles form a linear pair means their sum is 180 degree. ये दोनों एंगल linear pair form करते हैं, इसका मतलब वो supplementary है. ओके, या वो दो एंगल supplementary है मतलब वो linear pair form करते हैं, ऐसा कह सकते हैं, लेकिन not every time. But suppose the angles are linear pair means they are supplementary. ओके, लीनियर पेयर फॉर्म करना यानी ही दो एंगल की सम, डिफरेंट नहीं, एक ही इसमें दोनों एंगल की सम 180 डिग्री. समझिए ये अगर 130 डिग्री का है तो ये 50 डिग्री का होता है. तो ऐसे दो एंगल को कहा जाता है कि दिस टू एंगल्स आर लीनियर पेयर, मतलब उन दोनों की सम 180 डिग्री है. एंगल फॉर्मिंग लीनियर पेयर. सम ऑफ टू एंगल इज 180 डिग्री मींस दैट एंगल फॉर्म अ लीनियर पेयर. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line means suppose this is the straight line, you can draw angles like this. आप ऐसे कितने भी एंगल ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. मेजरमेंट उनका हर एक का मेजरमेंट डिफरेंट भी हो सकता है, सेम भी हो सकता है, बट सम ऑफ ऑल द एंगल्स दैट इज 180 डिग्री. क्योंकि स्ट्रेट लाइन है तो एंगुलर मेजरमेंट 180 डिग्री है. आप कितने भी उसके अंदर ड्रॉ करोगे तो भी सम उसकी 180 डिग्री आनी चाहिए. ओके. देन वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल, 6th नंबर. vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles means what? Suppose if you draw two lines like this, कैसे भी अगर आपने ड्रॉ करनी, suppose two lines cross each other, anyway they cross each other, कैसे भी वो क्रॉस करते हैं. Okay, suppose two lines cross each other like this, the angles form. यहाँ पे एक एंगल फॉर्म हो रहा है, उसके अपोजिट में ये एंगल फॉर्म हो रहा है. These two angles are known as vertically opposite angles. These two angles are opposite angles. This is known as vertically opposite angles. And vertically opposite angles are always equal in measure. दोनों का मेजरमेंट सेम होता है. Also these two angles are vertically opposite. Can we say like this? These two angles are vertically opposite. इन दोनों का भी मेजरमेंट सेम होता है, इनका भी मेजरमेंट सेम होता है. सपोज इनका मेजरमेंट अगर इसका 50 डिग्री है, सो दिस इज आल्सो द 50 डिग्री. ओके. सपोज दिस इज 130 डिग्री, तो ये भी 130 डिग्री होता है. ओके. सो वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स आर ऑलवेज इक्वल मेजर्स. व्हेन टू लाइंस क्रॉस ईच अदर, देन वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स फॉर्म. ओके. नाउ it is completed now. Okay, now the exercise 10th A that I will explain you in my next period. So till then you have to write all these points, all the definitions with diagrams and read it carefully. Okay, and remember it. Okay, thank you.